Today we are going to learn about the VLOOKUP function in Excel. It is a function in Excel that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column, the so-called table array, in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. But when do we normally use VLOOKUP function in Excel? We use VLOOKUP function in Excel to find the details of a person based upon the number. For example, if you want to find the details of a student based upon their roll number, we use VLOOKUP function. Now let's move on to how VLOOKUP function is used in. VLOOKUP function is like this. For example, look here. Instead of roll number 4, when I type roll number 5 and press enter, it should display me the details of roll number 5, isn't it? So in roll number 5, I have Karma Tashi, right? His date of birth, village, Gyok, and Zonka, right? So let me make this empty and show it to you how it is being done in Excel. Okay? I'll type roll number 1 here and press enter. Nothing is being displayed here because VLOOKUP function is not yet used. Now let's try to use VLOOKUP function. Equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, click lookup value. This is where the roll numbers are being punched. When the roll number is punched, we want the value down there. That's why we call this cell lookup value. Okay, must be taken into consideration down there. Well, comma, and the information that must display here actually comes from this table. So we must select the table array, right? Then comma. Now is the column index number. Okay, column index number. Where is this name? The name is in column number 1, column number 2. So we use 2 here, right? Comma, and then you can either type false or 0 here. Okay, it provides us or gives us the exact match. For example, in roll number 1, we have Sonam Tashi, so it should display me Sonam Tashi here, right? False gives us the exact match. Instead of false, if you happen to use true here, it may not give us the exact match. Rather, it will give us approximate match. That's clear. Equal to VLOOKUP again. Lookup value, comma, select the table array, comma, where's date of birth? It's in column 1, 2, and 3. So put that 3. You can either use 0 or false to get the exact match, right? Same here, VLOOKUP, open the bracket, click the lookup value, comma, and then select the table array, comma, where is village? Village is in column 1, 2, 3, 4. So put there 4. You can use false or 0 to get the exact match. Press enter, right? Gyok equal to VLOOKUP again, open the bracket, lookup value, comma, select the table array again, comma, where is Gyok? Gyok is in column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put 5 there. You can use 0 or false to get the exact match again. Equal to VLOOKUP again, open the bracket, lookup value, comma, select the table array, comma, and where is Zongkak? Zongkak is in column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Zongkak is in column 6, so we'll put 6 there. Comma, you can use 0 or false to get the exact match and press enter. Okay, now VLOOKUP function is used here. Now, whatever the roll number I type here must display us the information about the person who holds the roll number that is typed here. For example, I'll type here 9 and it should display me Tashi Penjo 10.10.2012 Upper King Shemkang. Okay, now let's try to press enter, and yes, it exactly gives me the information that is here. Is that clear? This is how VLOOKUP function is used in Excel, and it's important to use in Excel to find information about a particular person based upon the number that we punch in to fetch the data very easily. Nice day ahead, and see you in my next video.